All right, so today we're gonna take a look at some screen protectors that I'm currently using on my iPhone 13 Pro right now. I use a few different brands, man, but this is just another option out there for everyone who is looking for an affordable screen protector that comes with everything that you need installed inside of the box, and also just prevents you from going out there and buying those $25, $30 Apple screen protectors, Belkins, and look, you can get just a good enough quality for a fraction of the price, and that's what we're talking about today, man. We are looking at the ESR tempered glass screen protector for the iPhone 13 Pro. Now, this is going to be a full sensor screen protector. And when I say full sensor, you have some screen protectors that has a cutout that where your Face ID and your front-facing cameras are, or you have a full sensor protection that actually covers that up with the actual glass itself, and that's what you see right here. And actually, this is a ESR tempered glass, this exact same screen protector installed on my iPhone 13 Pro right now. And when I see it says full sensor, it goes all the way up, right up there to the speaker. And I have had this screen protector right here. Let me wipe it down a little bit. Probably had this one on for about 2 months now, and there isn't a single scratch, there isn't a single anything going on with this screen protector. So I was like, you know what, let me do a quick video about this, man, because I made a poll on my YouTube channel, and a lot of you guys, just about 90% of you run screen protectors. All right, so let's go ahead and get into this packaging. Let me go ahead and show you what's in it, how easy it takes to install, and then show you some compatibility with a few cases if you want to know if it works with this case or if it works with that case. All right, so let's go ahead and get into it. Let's open it up. Now, these screen protectors run about $11.99, $12.99, very affordable. And the one thing I like about the ESR screen protectors are they come with 3 in the pack. Yes, you get 3 screen protectors. A lot of screen protectors just do 2. Nah, ESR said we're going to give you 3 with ours. So here it is. This is how you're going to get it. So let's go ahead and open it up. So put everything to the side. So on the inside, you're going to get 1, 2, and we're going to get 3 installation kind of utensils, screen, the wipes and all different stuff like that. You're going to get some instructions. You are going to get an installation frame, which is absolutely key. Just like every case should have MagSafe, every screen protector should come with an installation frame. It just makes it that much easier, man. You don't got to go nowhere to get one installed or anything like that. And just like I stated, man, it comes with 3 screen protectors, as you can see right here. All right, so we're going to go ahead and install one of these, and this is just one right here installed. So let's go ahead and take this case off of my 13 Pro. Right now, currently running the Smartish Gripzilla case. Dope case, man. So let's go ahead and take it off. And just like I said, this is actually an ESR screen protector up here right now. So what we're going to do is go ahead and power off the phone so we can go ahead and install to make it a little bit easier. And we're going to go ahead and peel. And yep, I'm taking off a perfectly installed screen protector, man. Yep, I gotta do it for the videos, man. That's just kind of what we gotta do. So let's just grab one screen protector here. Let's grab one of these installation packs here, and let's just keep the essentials to what we need right here on the desk. So let's go ahead and open up the cleaning kit. Let's see what we get inside real fast. So opening up this cleaning kit, we basically get a little microfiber cloth to wipe it down, to clean it off with. You get a little alcohol wipe, and you get a nice size ESR sticker to remove lint. And I'm glad they gave you a sticker with a nice size, not those little strips. I cannot stand those, man. So that's everything that comes up in the packaging. So first things first is what you want to do, as I always say, power down your phone so you don't got to worry about your screen kind of flickering and going on and off when you're trying to figure out if you have bubbles on it. So always go ahead and power it off. Now, my screen shouldn't be that dirty because I just removed the screen protector. So the best time to put a screen protector on is when you actually remove one, because it's basically already clean and you don't really got to worry about a bunch of dust particles or anything like that. So let's just go ahead and give it a quick wipe down. Take that little included microfiber and also give it another quick wipe down here. All right. Now, next thing that you're going to do is going to go ahead and grab the little sticker. All right. Because one thing about screen protectors installs, you don't want no debris on the screen, because if you're like me and you're OCD like me, as soon as you get a piece of lint up there, you're going to want to do it all over again. And I don't blame you. So just go over it. This thing is big enough to where you shouldn't leave any debris on your screen, because you got a big piece of adhesive right here. So just take your time and just go through the whole phone. Make sure you got rid of all of your debris. All right. All right. Looks like it's pretty good. I can't really see All right, I can't really see anything on the actual screen protector itself right there. Sit it down. Let's go ahead and grab your frame. Now, this frame doesn't have a top or a bottom or anything like that. It has ESR written on it, and either way you turn it on each side, it's going to kind of be upside down. So I really don't think it matters which way that you put it on. So you basically want to just snap it on. And let's go ahead and get your screen protector here. And a little pro tip, I always say peel the screen protector facing down so you don't got to worry about any debris or anything landing on your actual screen protector. And basically what you're going to do is come up here to the very top of the screen protector and a little bit from the side, and then you're just going to lay it down. All right, so we're just going to lay that screen protector down, let it do its little adhesion. And sometimes you got to help it along the way. And some of these frames are so accurate, sometimes you have to take it off for it to finish the whole adhesion process. And that's exactly what we had to do with this one. Sometimes you got to pop that frame off to watch it actually finish adhering all of the way. And then you, at this point, you're just going to rub out your little existing bubbles that you have on. Now, you may have some very, very small bubbles, but I'm here to tell you they will come out maybe like in a day or so. I've always had a few little bubbles, but they always tend to pop right out if you just lined up everything correctly. Within a day or so, or even in a few hours, most of those bubbles will go right away and you'll have a flawless install. So looking at this one right here, I have a little bubbles up here, but most of the part, it's going to be pretty much perfect. Got two little bubbles right there. You got a few in this bottom corner. All is just adhesion promoted. So once you clean this screen good right here, you basically have a perfectly installed screen protector. Like I said, you got a little bubble right here, but it's not lint because I can't see any lint. So eventually, that's going to eventually just adhere itself. So don't even worry about those bubbles at all. But for the most part, you have a perfectly installed screen protector here. Now, one thing I always like to do with these screen protectors, man, is just test if you scratch it, test different things like that. If you tend to, I don't know, I like to just test different things with it, man. So let's go ahead and do the scratch test when it comes to this screen protector. So I want to grab it and I'm digging in, and you guys can hear how much I'm digging into this screen protector, and then wipe it off. All right, and let's take a look at it. Do you see any noticeable scratches at all? And you can already see this bubble here is already starting to disappear. Like I said, just give it time. All of your bubbles, trust me, will go away. I see you right there. That bubble is actually gone right there. So just give it time, man. So no scratches whatsoever. Let's go ahead and see if we can rub that bubble out up there. Once again, that'll come out by itself. No scratches at all. Now, when you're talking about smudges, a lot of screen protectors say they're fingerprint and smudge proof, but I'm gonna tell you, man, I feel like most of them still get smudges on your screen protector. I really haven't never really found that to be true, that most of these screen protectors are smudge proof or anything like that. So you're gonna have some fingerprints regardless of what tempered glass screen protector that you use. I feel you're gonna have a few fingerprints. You will get a few smudges. That's just what it is when it comes to it. So. And let's check the line at. Yeah, it's lined up pretty good. Like that frame does a pretty good job. So next thing we're going to test, let's go ahead and test how easy it is to press, and everything is good. There isn't anything that's, you're not really messing with any touches. No, all the touch sensitivity is just fine. There's nothing wrong with that. Everything is spot on. A lot of people say, does that affect your camera quality when you do a camera, a screen protector over the camera? Let's just go ahead and pop a quick selfie off real quick. I look dumb in that selfie. But looking at the selfie, man, there is no image. There's nothing that's messing with the image. I mean, you're not going to worry about anything when it comes to these screen protectors of being it over the camera. Face ID works just fine. You look at it, boom, it's unlocked. Let's try that again. Boom, it's unlocked. Everything works fine when it comes to these full sensor screen protectors. So if you want to go out there and get yourself one, man, I highly recommend it. Even if you have a screen protector on your phone right now, I like to keep backups of every single screen protector I have. And to show you that I'm not lying, let's look at it. What's back here right here? I got these right here again, and this pack is open because you saw that this was what was installed on my phone before we actually did the video. I told you I have these. I love to keep these as backups because you never know when you might drop your phone, you might get a freak crack on your screen protector, you might get a freak scratch on your screen protector, and I always like to keep my screen protector fresh. All right, now let's run through a few cases just so you can see the compatibility of it, because I've never had an issue with any of these screen protectors in any cases that I had decided to run. So this one right here, Spec Presidio 2 grip, and these are going to be tight fitting cases that I'm about to demonstrate to you guys. As you can see, there is no peel up, no anything going on with this case right here. Everything fits just fine on this Spec Presidio 2 grip, so that one fits good. Let's go to, let's take it to Nomad. Say you're using the Nomad leather right here in this beautiful English tan color. Let's pop it on the Nomad leather. Not a single issue with that one when you're talking about raising up or pushing the screen protector. This screen protector is cut just enough so it's not going to interfere with just about any cases that you may use. Let's take a look at the D-brand grip. Another snug, tight fitting case. So let's take a look at the D-brand grip. Pop the D-brand grip on. No issues whatsoever when it comes to the fit. Everything is absolutely perfect with the D-brand grip. Nothing wrong there. And let's try one more. You already know, one of the more popular cases on the channel. Let's go ahead and bring over that Kadabe sheath. And let's go ahead and pop the sheath on. And as you can see, no issues at all with this screen protector pushing up or anything like that. So just wanted to try a few popular cases, man, so you can show you that this screen protector is legit. Like I said, I have been wearing it for a month or two. It has been absolutely flawless. So go out there and pick yourself up one, man. For under about 12 bucks, you can get a 3-pack, and that is way better than going out there and spending $24 or $25 on one screen protector from Best Buy or going into the Apple store. I don't care if they install it for you for free and all that. Look, this installation frame and everything like I just showed you right here makes the installation a breeze. So go out there and get one, man, for your iPhone. I think they make these for every single iPhone that's out there. I'll be sure to put a link down in the description below. And let me know if you pick yourself up one, or let me know what screen protector you are out there using. But until next time, man, make sure you hit that subscribe button and make sure you hit that bell so you can get notified as soon as I drop one of these videos, man. But everyone, please be safe. Catch you on the next one. Later.